Here we are on what day of the week is it? Tuesday the... Oh, I'm not sure now. It could be the 6th or 7th of June 2022. On the Ingleton Waterfalls Trail. Did this with Debs back in May last year, but the weather was horrendous. Well, horrendous, it was wet and cold, and we only made it halfway round before we had to take the escape road. Hopefully better conditions today. I'll make it all the way around. Got my stick, haven't got my dongle, hence the shaky nature of this video. I'm going to take my time. Try not to fall over. As I say, try not to fall over. See people walking around here with dogs. Very impressive. A lot of steps. I've had a stretch. What's that sound? Whew. Already puffy. I'm going to put my camera away now. The dog's loving it.